What's going on, guys? Let's take a look at GameStop. The meme stocks are starting to run today. We had GameStop, AMC, Bed Bath & Beyond all making monster moves during the market and after market. So currently being traded at 216, up $6.90 on the day, 3.5%, 206, 207 on the day. So what I want to kind of look at here is GameStop's going back to September has been trading in this tight range underneath a lot of supply. So you can see all of these moving average lines here kind of just been bumping its head, getting rejected, coming back down, finding support, bumping its head, bumping its head, bumping its head, so forth and so forth. Yesterday was the first close over the 50-day moving average. You know, if you follow me and my Discord and the way I kind of trade, before I get into it, my Discord link is down in the description box below. If you guys want more information like this, you want to trade with other traders who, you know, are trading these type of stocks, as well as guys who are trading the Amazons, Teslas, Apples, AMDs, Nvidias, so forth and so forth, join that down in the description box below. Also, I do have a website. I have a couple of paid services that go along with the Discord channel. You can check those out on my website down below. But yesterday was the first close over the 50-day moving average, extremely bullish. That price was about 199, 200. That 208, 207 area was going to be a huge area of concern. We were going to get a little bit of choppiness going on in that area. If I do just go to the 1 hour time frame and kind of blow this up so we could see it a little bit better here. Where's the market open? Market open is going to be here. We got this initial spike to 206. We had a little bit of trouble there. You can see going back to yesterday, we touched it one time, two times, got rejected, touched it one time here. Another big candle with a topping tail wick, traded back under this linear regression channel 50 line. This area was acting as a huge area of resistance, this 206 to 208 area. Finally, around 11 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, we did finally clear that out. We had a nice pop all the way up to 212 with a little bit of a pullback into the 5-day moving average. So for me, the 5-day moving average is the shortest term sentiment that we can follow, normally power trending. And we're looking at the 5-day moving average for day trades and overnight swing trades on a day-to-day basis. So we're not really going to look at the 5-day moving average if we want to swing trade something for 2-3 weeks. We're not going to really look at the 5-day moving average on the daily time frame if we're looking to scalp, 1 to 15-minute intervals. That's not really what we're going to look at. We're going to look at some other different indicators. But for the day trading and overnight swing trading day-to-day basis, we want to follow the 5-day moving average. We already know that the birth of the trade is going to start at the 10, and the 50-day moving average is going to be like our rock hard support. So if the birth of the trade is at the 10-day moving average here, you can see this morning we reclaimed it. Actually yesterday we reclaimed this whole 10-day moving average here, made this huge start of the run. Today, just a little bit of a continuation. So a couple of levels that I want to mark out here is this 227 high price on the wick. This is what I'm going to look for, a break to the top side, and I'm going to go ahead and show you on the daily chart as to why I'm looking at that. If you're looking to scalp and be a little bit more aggressive, we do have an area here over 217. This 217 is going to be a bounce off of the 5-day moving average on the 1 hour time frame. So if you're a scalper, we have room over 217. Look to take profits at the 219 and even the 223 area. Those would be your two plays. If you're going to look to swing trade this, maybe 1-2 days, we want to hold the 5-day moving average and we want to stay over this 217 area. So for sure, close tomorrow over 217. We're looking for 217 to 227. That's about a 10-point spread. Plenty of room to make some money there. And obviously any close over 227 is open skies ahead. If we do have a little bit of a pullback tomorrow, let's say we have a pullback, I think a good area to bounce this stock is going to be this 210 area. You can see here this 210 to 212 area was acting as resistance 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So can we turn this old area of resistance into new support here? If we do drop down to 210, and I'm not saying that's going to happen because momentum is extremely strong on the IWM and the meme stocks, but if we do drop down to this 210, 212 area, wherever this 10-day moving average decides to move to tomorrow, and we do get a pullback in here and we get a nice reclaim, I would look to load up some shares and or options off this 210. Let's just call it the 10-day moving average. I would look to add up off the 10-day moving average and play the bounce for the next leg higher. Just looking at the daily time frame here, if we can get over this 217, we are going to run into a little bit of supply here at the 227 and 230 area, but let's say GameStop decides to take that 230 area out. We're going to have room all the way up here to 238, and any close over 238 could just send this thing absolutely to the moon into orbit. I'm not saying that it's going to happen, guys. I don't want you guys to chase and get caught. I want you to know your levels and kind of play it accordingly. Have a plan. Are you going to scalp the levels that I gave? Are you going to look to hold this overnight? Are you going to short-term swing trade this as long as it's holding the 5 and 10 day moving average? Have a game plan, know where you're going to exit if the trade decides to go against you. If you're going to scalp, know the levels, know your price targets. You're looking for 1, 2, 3 points extremely fast, get in, get out. If you're looking to overnight swing, maybe look for 5 to 10 points depending on the measured potential. I hope this kind of helps. Guys, join the Discord. That link is down in the description box below. Let's all make some money the rest of the week and the month. I have a feeling that November is going to be extremely bullish. Might get a little bit of a pullback. However, normally between November, December, January, we kind of have a nice slow melt up into that late fourth quarter. So I will see you guys all on the next video.